Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the Speederlash 2-pack of 32GB Micro SDXC Memory Cards. We're going to open them up and show you what they look like, try them out, and of course let you know whether or not they're worth buying.
So as we open up the package here, I'm going to show you a couple things. First and foremost, you'll have your two 32GB micro SD cards, like so. They come in this package, and what I want to show you is once I get this open, figure it out here. There we go. I want to show you that it does have an adapter that you can utilize for a SD card that's this size. All you're going to do is literally just not drop it like I just did, but what you will do is go ahead and just insert face up like so, and then you'll just insert this into a regular SD size, so that you can have this adjustability capability. And then I just cut my fingernails, but this should have a little lip that you can see right there that will allow you to get this out pretty clean. And again, you can just stick it right back in for storage purposes into this. There we go. And store like so. And then this closes up, and just the same, you'll have this one that opens up a little differently, because why not? And the same thing. So these things are really simple and obvious. So let me test them out, and I'll come back and let you know how it worked out. All right, so I was generally pleased with the results. Generally, with any kind of memory, I always find it's, if it says 32, it's never full 32. It's usually a little bit under. So just be aware that may be the case for you as well. But overall, I think I was very pleased with the results. Loads fast data onto it and removes off quickly. Everything was kind of pretty smooth for me, and I'll be using these in a special set of goggles that kind of record videos and pictures. So to me, it was worth having something with a decent amount of storage space. So definitely worth buying. Sorry, it's not zooming. There we go. Definitely worth buying. Hopefully this review helped, and thanks for watching.